So hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to book our own elimination chamber match of WWE Championship in which Drew McIntyre is champion. This is a video which I love to make because sometimes I also think that in WWE or AEW I should book the matches. So this is the first video of that series. And the important note is that this match is my imagination. This match doesn't happen anywhere or anytime. So coming back to the video, the match starts with two superstars, that is AJ Styles and Jeff Hardy. I picked these two superstars to start the match because they are great technical wrestlers and they can give the awesome start to the match. And after some time, the first chamber will be open of The Miz. As soon he enters in the ring and team up with AJ Styles against Jeff Hardy. But Jeff Hardy overcomes the problem and he pins The Miz. The Miz eliminated too soon in this match. And then again AJ Styles and Jeff Hardy is alone in the ring. The next chamber will be open of Drew McIntyre. Yes, the WWE champion Drew McIntyre enters the ring and destroys AJ Styles and Jeff Hardy, but unable to take the pin. And the match continues back and forth. As the match is getting intense, the next chamber will be open of Sheamus. As soon as Sheamus enters the ring, he starts his vicious attack on Drew McIntyre, hit Drew McIntyre with his brogue kick, but Drew McIntyre's kick out. And at this moment in the match, I like to give some spots to Jeff Hardy as he climbs up the chamber and jump from the top of the chamber to the superstars and almost is helping AJ Styles in this match. At this time, all the superstars get exhausted and become tired, and then the entry of Randy Orton comes. Yes, the Viper Randy Orton is the final entrant to the Elimination Chamber. He starts destroying all of the superstars which are remaining in the ring and he hits the Jeff Hardy with his RKO and pinned Jeff Hardy. Now Jeff Hardy get eliminated. And now the remaining four are Randy Orton, AJ Styles, Drew McIntyre and Sheamus. And now here, with the help of Omos, AJ Styles hits Sheamus with his phenomenal forearm and pin Sheamus. Hence Sheamus got eliminated with the help of Omos. So now the final three are AJ Styles, Randy Orton and Drew McIntyre. After that the match continued for the couple of minutes and suddenly Randy Orton hits Drew McIntyre with an RKO. Yes, you are hearing right. Drew McIntyre got an RKO from Randy Orton. But now there is a slight change, or I can say twist in the story. Now Drew McIntyre got an RKO from Randy Orton. So now Randy Orton is coming to pin Drew McIntyre. As he attempts pinning on the Drew McIntyre, then suddenly Omos throw him away as AJ Styles wants the pin. This brawl continued for some time between Randy Orton and AJ Styles, and in the meantime Drew McIntyre recovered from the effect of RKO. Then AJ Styles attempt to pin the Drew McIntyre, but Drew McIntyre kicks out. And then Randy Orton gets angry and hits an RKO from nowhere to Omos. And then in the ring he hits an RKO to AJ Styles and pin, and hence AJ Styles is eliminated. So now the final two are Drew McIntyre and Randy Orton. So now the match continued for a couple of minutes. Drew McIntyre got upper hand upon Randy Orton, but suddenly an RKO from nowhere comes out and hits Drew McIntyre with an RKO. So Randy Orton had hit an RKO to Drew McIntyre. Now he's going to pin, but light switch off. As the light got turned off, there is now black screen on our TV screens, and suddenly a red light came and we see Alexa Bliss. And then another red light came which Alexa Bliss point out, and there is our returning Fiend. So as they both come towards the Randy Orton. Then again lights got turned off, black screen came, and then again light turned on. There was nothing, no Alexa Bliss, no Fiend, there is nothing. Randy Orton got confused, Randy Orton got scared, he had no idea what's going on, and suddenly Drew McIntyre hits a Claymore kick to Randy Orton and pinned him. And 1, 2, 3. Randy Orton is eliminated, and hence Drew McIntyre retains his title in the Elimination Chamber match, and he is still WWE Champion. And the celebration is going on. Drew McIntyre retained his title, and the celebration is continued. But the celebration stopped, and The Miz with Morrison came out and hits Drew McIntyre from the back, a vicious attack which Drew McIntyre was tired. He continues his vicious attacks with Morrison for a couple of minutes, and then he cashes in his Money in the Bank contract for the WWE title against Drew McIntyre. Now the bell rings and he hits his skull-crushing finale on Drew McIntyre and pinned Drew McIntyre 1, 2, 3, and hence the reign of Drew McIntyre ends here. And now we got our new WWE champion, The Miz. So now this is the ending of the night of Elimination Chamber. The Miz is now new WWE champion. The match end here, the night end here, means this is the main event of this event. So Miz is our new WWE champion according to my imagination or my booking. The video ends here. If you like the video, hit the like button, do subscribe and hit the bell icon also. And if you like the video or my crazy ideas, then please tell me in the comments, do I make more such videos or not? And tell me in the comments, do you like the video or not? Thank you.